How to hide likes on Instagram posts in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply just hide any like or like count on your Instagram post that you want to. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you're going to open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone. And before opening up the Instagram application, make sure that it has been updated and consists of all the new updates. So once you do that, you're going to go into the profile option that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you do that, you're going to go and open up any of the pictures you want to do. So once I've come on this post that I want to hide the number of likes, so here it is, I can see the number of likes. So I'm going to do a thing, and you can do this as well. You're going to go and tap on the top right corner where this three dotted bar option is there. Once you do that, a dialog box on bottom of the screen appears that states number of options, so in which you're going to go and look for the hide like counting, that is the second last one. So once you tap on it, your like count has been hidden. So this is how you do it. This is how you hide likes on your Instagram post. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.